Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I'm going to finish up this video. I started thinking about that I put some colors behind the dog. You can see that uh, the horse and the dog have overlapping colors. So this color could have bled through. I have no clue how printing works if this was being printed. Laser engraving, I don't think it would make a different one. The brown, you'd have to change to a gray if you're going to print it or engrave it. But let's just take the virtual segment delete key and delete all the red lines that are inside the dog. Then you can actually take the Smart Fill tool. A while ago, I was using the color attribute, but the Smart Fill tool in this case would even work better. Go to Smart Fill, go up here to your eyedropper, grab that color, and then fill in the horse. Of course, the dog is just black, so let's just fill him in with black. Now, there might or might not be a hairline depending on your settings. There is no hairline. There is on the horse. So let's take away that. Let's click on it and take away the outline. A lot of times that'll do that. So what you could do, I nudge the color up. I can take my red away and then nudge the color back. And then you have no outline. I'm pretty sure the dog does not have an outline because I just filled him in. Now, same thing with the cow. There's part of the cow that's behind the cat. So what I would do is left click, no fill, right click in black, take the cow, left click, no fill, right click in red. And now we need to delete all the red that's inside the cat. I'm almost positive that that color isn't gonna bleed through in printing, but I have no clue. So now we're gonna take away, or they'll use a Smart Fill tool. We've still got that same brown, but I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna nudge it up, get rid of our outline. And if you're out of the screen, you can always hit F4 and it'll bring it up, showing everything on your screen. Of course, normally you wouldn't have something way over here. And then just take the cat and fill the cat in with black. That way there's no lines of separation. The cat and the cow meet together perfectly. And just in case it didn't work that way with printing, it might print both colors on top of that. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.